And more trouble to the BCCI. A metropolitan case in Mumbai, a court in Mumbai has asked Mumbai police to file a report in another case regarding IPL. Kajal with more details. Yes, Kajal.
Yes, this is a particular case, a complaint rather, that was filed by an activist saying that he and other fans of the IPL 6 season had bought tickets and had actually gone there, but were cheated because the matches were already fixed. So this was the first criminal case to be filed. Remember, during the IPL 6 hearings in the betting case, the defense lawyers had always claimed that there is no criminality involved and there is no cheating involved. So this case was filed in response to that, but the Mumbai police had not compiled any kind of a report and they had not given any reasons as to why they were not taking any action against this. So now the court has finally asked the Mumbai police to file a report as to what stage their investigations are in and whether or not a criminal case is made against top BCCI officials like Srinivasan and several others who have been named in this complaint.
Well, we understand, Kajal, 5 others have been named in this particular case and the report is set to be filed by 5th of January. But the question is, why the delay?
Well, this is one of the questions that the court has also been asking the Mumbai police for quite some time. Initially, the Mumbai police was very evasive, saying that it was not probably in their jurisdiction. Then the court had taken further hearings of the case where the police came up with a lot of variety of reasons. Eventually, the activists had to pursue and convince the court that the Mumbai police was not actually doing anything and, in fact, just sitting on the complaint, not even completely recognizing the complaint as a valid complaint. So in several hearings, when the Mumbai police failed to defend its stance on why it has not taken any action on this complaint, the court had to finally today say that they have to file a report on this case.